Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy FLM tokens for US citizens using the Crypto.com app and Flamingo Finance. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Crypto.com app and make sure your account is verified. Once verified, hit the Crypto.com logo in the center, select Buy, search for, and select Gas. Enter the number of gas you want to buy to trade for FLM, choose your payment method, and click Buy Gas. In this example, we'll buy 30 gas. Go to the Accounts tab, select Crypto Wallet, and choose Gas. Click on Transfer, then Withdraw, and finally, External Wallet. Tap the plus icon to add your Neo N3 wallet address. Select Wallet Address and ensure the Neo 3 network is selected. Enter your Neo N3 wallet address manually or scan the QR code from your wallet. Assign a name for your wallet, like Flamingo Finance, and click Continue. Verify the wallet address, enter your Crypto.com app passcode, and input the verification code from your Authenticator app if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which we strongly recommend. Once done, select Withdraw to transfer your gas to the Neo N3 wallet. Input the amount of gas to withdraw, in this case, 30 gas, and confirm the withdrawal details. Enter the Crypto.com app passcode and the verification code sent to your mobile device and Authenticator app. Select Continue. With gas in your Neo N3 wallet, head to Flamingo.finance on your computer. Connect your wallet, like Neoline, and navigate to the Asset Actions tab. Select Convert. Choose gas in the From drop-down menu and FLM in the To drop-down menu. Enter the amount of gas to trade for FLM. For example, 30 gas for around 991 FLM. Adjust your slippage and deadline settings in the Settings menu. Review the transaction details and click Convert Now. Confirm the transaction in your Neoline wallet. Wait for your transaction to finalize, then select Done. Congratulations, you now own FLM tokens in your Neo N3 wallet. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial, and we hope it was helpful. Don't forget to explore other features on Flamingo Finance, such as staking and earning and decentralized lending, to maximize your DeFi experience.